y'all, back at you. So we brought in we had to bring in our pitcher plant the other day because we were gonna get we thought we were gonna get some freezing temperatures.
Yeah.
I think it only got down to like 35 degrees, but we brought it in. And while we have it in here, we thought it might be a cool idea to see to dissect some of the actual pitchers and see what's inside of them, eh, guys?
Let's do the dead ones first.
Okay, now hold on. Before we do anything, now I know for a fact one thing that was inside of them. We have a lot of lizards on our property here. They're green anoles and brown, mostly brown anoles. But so I was convinced there's probably a lizard in here. So I mean, I literally spent 10 minutes inspecting this plant before I brought it inside to make sure there's no lizards. And then sure enough, throughout the day, a lizard would pop out. About every 2 hours. I think like 4 or 5 of them popped out, didn't they?
They were like sleeping.
But anyways, we got all the lizards out of the house, and now we're gonna dissect some of these. So go ahead, Sweetie, why don't you pick
Alright,
one?
let's take
see what's in
these
it.
brown ones off first, because I kind of trim these brown ones off anyways. See if there's even, they could have been like
You're not gonna get anything in a brown one. You need the green ones.
Yeah. Like
Oh,
this
look.
one's.
Those are bugs.
You get some bugs? No, you just got it.
This is a good one, it looks like.
Alright, come on, let's pick one.
Yeah, I'll pick a healthy
What
one.
about this one right
Let's
here?
let Teddy pick
Don't
one.
pick
I'll
any
pick
of the baby
I'm
ones.
picking a healthy one.
Okay, now maybe cut it cut it right off, cut over the paper,
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, cut it open, let's see what's in there.
Okay, so.
Got some water.
Okay.
Oh, we got one little bug.
There's some ants.
Yep, there's some ants.
No-see-ums. Just like
Oh,
little
good,
specks.
they can have the no-see-ums.
Yeah.
All right, let's try another one, guys.
All right, let's do.
I
Hold
want to
on.
find one with a whole bunch of mosquitoes
Let's
in
do
it or
this
something.
one.
Oh, here's.
I don't want to cut off
this
too
is
many
a
of the
good
good ones.
I don't think you're gonna get much in the dead ones.
This one's not totally dead. See?
Yeah, just have some little stomach water.
I guess we don't want to cut off too many of the good ones. I don't know. That looks like dust. Let's keep trying. What else we got?
I see little tiny bugs. I see no-see-ums in that.
Well, there are no seums.
I see. How about this one right here?
That
This one? No. Look inside of some of them. Oh, before you cut it, just see if there's anything in
Yeah,
there.
why don't you just pour
Oh,
it out?
it looks like there's a bunch of stuff
Why
in
don't
it.
you just try to pour it?
Yeah, pour it.
So we're not like.
Yeah, so we're not cutting it. Good idea.
They are pitchers.
Whoa, guys,
Oh
you
no,
definitely,
sweetie, don't want it all over.
guys, you definitely want to. look
Nothing in
inside.
that one.
I saw a lot of stuff.
Guys, you definitely.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there's
It's
some bugs.
yellow.
We got some ants.
The water's yellow.
The ants are still alive.
Good, they can get those little ants, those devil ants.
Yeah, they hurt when,
Alright.
when they bite you.
Let's see, dump out some more.
You should look in this ad.
I'm not sure that one.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff in this one.
Oh, yeah.
What do we see, guys? There's some little bug right there.
Oh, look at that mosquito right there. See
That's
it?
not a mosquito.
That's a mosquito.
That's not a mosquito. She doesn't know what she's talking about. All right, let's see. What else we got? What else we
Oh,
got?
this is a good
What about
one.
this one right here?
Oh, look, this one's
Oh, jackpot. What do we get in there? All sorts of little bugs. Holy cow.
So a lot of green stuff. What's that?
Oh, look at this big fly right here.
Oh,
I'll tell you
oh,
guys,
geez.
anybody watching right now, I'll take some pictures of some of our finds with our iPhone here, so you can see up close what it looks like.
Did you see? Hold on, there was one I just pulled. Look, it's closed. It hasn't opened
Oh
yet.
yeah, look at that. Cool.
I've never seen one like that.
Yeah,
like,
maybe
I've
it's a
never-
mistake. I mean, a defect or whatever. Not a defect, but that's the one we just.
Oh, this one has water in it though.
This one's closed too.
Oh,
This is a giant one.
here's some over here. Here's one right here. Ooh, whoa, that's got a lot of stuff in
Oh,
it.
look at that big fly.
All right, so let's see. All right, cool. So is that a little spider even right there?
Oh, yeah.
And there's like a little flea right there. Ooh, there's some kind of little wormy thing. You
I
that?
see like there's like a leg right there or something.
A fly.
All right, cool. So it's pretty cool. Like these
Yeah.
things actually do. Things actually do catch stuff. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have it right by our front door, so hopefully it's.
No, put it inside so it catches the ants and stuff. And
Inside,
stuff.
yeah, it's a good idea, Reese. Yeah, guys, I don't know what he's talking about. We don't have ants in our house, I promise. But anyways, y'all. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, I'll coming up here, I'll take some pictures with the phone so you can see the stuff up close. If any of you out there have a pitcher plant, we've had this one for several years.
Yeah, I've repotted it too.
Yeah.
And I make the soil. There's no soil in it. This is an air plant kind of. So I have like little bits of coconut fiber and little like pieces of brown palm bits that I
And
crunch
just
up.
parts of it.
And then and I just put that in there, and it seems like it makes it happy. I haven't bought any orchid soil or anything for it. That seemed to
It seems to
make
we
it happy.
we keep
so.
ours kind of right out here. It's like right under the gutter, so it kind of gets sun in the morning, and then the sun goes this way, and it's in the shade most of the day, which I think it needs, especially in the summers here, where we're at in Central Florida. We're zone 10A, and in the middle of the summer it's hot and dry. So, but anyways, y'all, what's up?
I was gonna say, and then I cut the little totally brown ones.
And put 'em in.
And I will say that when I cut them off, you don't want to cut them off like this because they still work. But once they're totally brown, you can cut them off.
Yeah. It's cool. There's other little plants in here. You could probably split this and get
Yeah, that's the
couple
plan.
plants
Whoa,
on there.
there's two. There's like one baby one over here too.
Yeah,
I like the.
it definitely needs to be trimmed up a little bit.
Yeah, so yeah, we probably time to
Repot
repot
it.
this now that we have it here and
I
we've
like
taken it off its
these
stand. We
little
might
guys.
as well do that.
Look at so this is the start of a picture right here.
Oh
see?
yeah,
Oh wow.
and then show them some of these little ones.
Yeah.
Some little ones right in here. Here's one right here. Yeah.
And then there's an even smaller one.
Where? Oh yeah, right there. Yeah. Cool.
It's a neat plant.
Yeah.
One of my
How does I
faves.
walk inside
And
this?
it seems fairly low maintenance.
If we even water it, we just let it hang there, right?
Yeah. I'll soak it if it's been real dry.
I think we already dumped that one out. All right, cool. All right, y'all. If anyone out there has a pitcher plant and wants to share with us some tips or some of your finds, please post in the comments section down below. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.